Air conditioning and your health. Is AC bad or good for you? Dear friends, air conditioning has become an essential part of modern homes, especially during hot summer months. But many people wonder whether AC is good or bad for health. The truth is, it depends on how you use it. A well-maintained air conditioner can improve indoor air quality by filtering dust, pollen, and other airborne particles. It also helps reduce humidity, preventing mold growth and creating a more comfortable living environment. Air conditioning can be especially beneficial for children, elderly people, and those with respiratory conditions. During extreme heat, AC helps prevent heat exhaustion, dehydration, and heat-related illnesses. However, excessive use of AC can also have some drawbacks. Very low temperatures may cause dry skin, dry eyes, throat irritation, and discomfort. Moving frequently between hot outdoor temperatures and cold indoor environments can also stress the body. Poorly maintained AC units can accumulate dust, bacteria, and mold, which may trigger allergies and respiratory problems. Regular cleaning of filters and periodic servicing are essential for healthy air circulation. For the best balance between comfort and health, keep your AC temperature between 24 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius. Ensure proper ventilation, clean filters regularly, and avoid sitting directly in front of cold airflow. So, is AC bad or good for your health? When used correctly and maintained properly, air conditioning can be a valuable tool for comfort, safety, and overall well-being. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.